This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to do cupcakes in your hair using an easy method. First, gather your essential supplies: small cupcake liners, hair ties, and bobby pins. Next, select some lightweight decorative cupcake toppers to add a fun touch. Finally, make sure your hair is clean, dry, and completely tangle-free for the best results. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful styling process. Now, let's create the base for your cupcake. Begin by sectioning off a small, circular piece of hair, about 1.5 inches in diameter, from the desired area. Then, twist this section of hair into a tight, compact bun, keeping it close to your scalp. Secure this bun firmly in place with a small hair tie, ensuring it's snug and won't unravel. This forms the foundation for your adorable hair cupcake. With your hair bun ready, it's time to add the cupcake liner. Carefully place a small cupcake liner around the base of the bun, making sure it sits evenly. Use 2 or 3 bobby pins to secure the liner firmly to your hair, hiding the pins as much as possible. Finally, gently insert your chosen decorative topper into the center of the bun. This completes your charming hair cupcake look. To ensure your hair cupcakes stay perfect all day, apply a light mist of hairspray over each one for extra hold. Take a moment to check for any loose strands or flyaways and secure them with additional bobby pins if needed. You can create multiple cupcakes for a playful look or just one for a subtle accent. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your unique and fun hairstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.